Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my BeautyLish mystery bag. I have been waiting for this bag for so long, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing what I got in my mystery bag. So I ended up getting the $75 mystery bag from BeautyLish. So if you guys want to know what I got inside my bag, alrighty, so this is my first year getting the BeautyLish LuckyBag, and honestly, I feel like I'm probably going to regret purchasing this bag, but we'll see when I open it up. I've always seen people do these unboxings. I've always seen people getting their BeautyLish bags, and sometimes they look really good and look like they definitely be worth the money, and then other times I'm like, ugh. So I don't know. We'll see what mine looks like. I just have it open, but I haven't actually opened the box yet. So I did go ahead and order the $75 one. If you guys do not know, BeautyLish does this every single year. They do it right about Christmas time. I think it's the day after Christmas that they put these on sale. And you can either get the extra large Lucky Bag, which is $150, or you can get the $75 bag. And I believe the $150 one is supposed to have like $300 worth of products. And then I think the $75 one is supposed to have $150 worth of products in here. So we will see what we get. I'm really curious, and I am going to go ahead and start opening it. So everything is wrapped individually, it looks like. So we have a bunch of like individual little wrappers. So I'm going to go ahead and open this first one up. Let us see. It feels like it has two different, oh, nope, there's lots of products in here. Okay, I thought it was two, but there's lots. Okay, so the first one is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Matte Contour Liquid Lip. This is the Hollywood Lips, and let's see the shade in this one. I don't see the shade on it yet. So I have tried a few Charlotte Tilbury lip products before, but I don't think I've ever tried her liquid lipsticks. So here is what that color looks like, and the shade name of this one is Dangerous Illusion. And I am gonna swatch it. I don't know if I'm gonna love this color. It definitely feels like a thicker formula for sure, like swatching it, but there is that color right there. And then next up in here, we have something from Kevyn Aucoin. So this is the Curling Mascara. So you have a mascara from Kevyn Aucoin. I can't say that mascara always necessarily excites me. I wear false lashes a lot, and when I don't wear them, I have like my favorite mascaras. So I don't know that this is something that I like necessarily need, but here is what it looks like. I'll show you guys the wand on it. So there is the mascara. And then we have a product from Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Kiss. So this is like a chapstick, not really a chapstick, but like a lip balm. And I actually already own this. My husband actually uses it. So here's what it looks like. It's just like a really large lip balm, and it smells just like their Bum Bum Cream, which if you guys have never smelled that, it is the best smelling thing ever. So I'm kind of excited about this because like I said, my husband's using my other one, so I can save this one for me. And then we do have a little brush right here, and this is a Wayne Gosh brush, which I know everyone goes crazy for these brushes. And this is a number 20 brush, and it's just like a smaller eye brush. I would probably use this as like a pencil brush or use it into my crease, maybe just for like detailed crease work. It feels pretty soft, but it kind of feels dense at the same time. So that is interesting. And then we also have in here, it says coming soon. This is from Good Malicious, I believe. This is the Wake Up Eye Serum. Here is what it looks like. This is kind of a large component for an eye cream, like an eye serum. This is a lot of product. Normally I feel like they're smaller jars. They don't have as much product in here, so that's a lot of product. So I'll have to give this one a try. So that is all the products that I had wrapped in like this little bundle. So we had the Sol de Janeiro, the Kevyn Aucoin, Charlotte Tilbury, the Wayne Gosh brush, and then the eye cream. And then let's see what else we have inside of here. So moving along, we have another little package here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this package. And what do we have inside of here? Wow. Okay, I am shocked because my bag, I bought the $75 bag, and I got a full-size Natasha Denona palette. Holy crap. I didn't even know they were offering these inside of the, like, $75 bags. I thought these would be in the $150 bags because these palettes alone are like $130. I am so excited right now, you guys. I've never owned a full-size Natasha Denona palette, so, ooh, this looks so pretty too. So here it is. I'm so excited. I actually feel like I am too much of a cheap person to actually purchase a Natasha Denona palette. I've talked about it a lot here on my channel, and I actually mentioned her products in the brands I want to try in 2019, and just saying that I am just too cheap to spend that much on a palette. I just am. So I'm excited that I'll be able to try out the formula, and this looks super, super pretty. I actually seen people using the smaller Lila palette, so this is like the larger version of it, so I'll definitely try this out. I'm so excited. I think that that's probably it in my bag, I'm guessing. Yeah, so that was everything that was inside of my bag. So, I mean, it wasn't like that many products, but because I feel like I got the Natasha Denona palette, I feel like that kind of probably took up the majority of my thing. I mean, I still got quite a few products. So I just added up the total of my box. So it was $222 minus the eye serum because I couldn't find the eye serum price anywhere, so I'm not exactly sure how much that would be. I'm guessing maybe like $15 to $20. So, I mean, that's a pretty good bag, about $250 worth. A little under. I feel like my bag was definitely lucky. I feel like this was a really good. So I feel like the palette kind of made it worth it in itself for me, and I don't regret getting this. I kind of really thought I would, but the fact that I got a full-size palette for that price makes me feel like this was a really good deal for me. I do feel like all of the rest of the products, aside from the Sol de Janeiro, like I could do without. I don't necessarily love the color of the Charlotte Tilbury liquid lip. Like I feel like I don't really love that color. I don't wear that color very often. And then the Kevyn Aucoin mascara, I don't know, it just like, it's like okay. I am probably going to try it out, but I don't feel like I've ever heard really anyone talking about this, so I don't know if it's necessarily a good mascara. Let me know down below if you guys have tried it. The Wingas brush, I have a lot of pencil brushes, so I don't know that this one is going to be like anything special to my collection. I know that a lot of people love his brushes, so maybe it's going to be amazing and I just don't know it. But, and then we also have the eye serum, which I'll be giving a try. I don't know, we'll see. It says it's formulated with caffeine and will help brighten and firm and depuff. So I'll give it a try and we'll see what we think. But that is going to do it for my Lucky Bag unboxing. I am going to say that it was worth it. I'm really surprised, you guys, because I was fully like prepared to say that I regretted making this purchase, because after I did it, I was like, why did you do that? You are so going to regret that. You're not going to get your money's worth. But, I mean, as long as I like that palette, we'll see. Hopefully I like it. I feel like, I don't know, this might be worth it. So let me know down below if you guys ended up getting one of these boxes or one of these lucky bags. Let me know what you guys got in yours. And if you guys want to see me do like a first impressions with any of these products, let me know down below. Give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.